fucked up my truck again, but I'll be back. It'll be alright.
We're here at Apple Valley Speedway. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
What up? What up?
What's happening, baby?
We're here.
Good morning,
Good morning. Oh,
Mr.
what's up,
Jai.
baby? About to get sandy or what?
Hopefully. Sunday, day 2.
Dead. Day
It's
2.
like 2.5. We're out here. Back's a little sore. Gonna take some ibuprofen and get to unloading. Get this truck unloaded and get to shredding some tires. Civic Drift event, Apple Valley. Go see how the truck feels this morning. Let it warm up. Get the tires warm. Get the fluids warm. Get my boots in warm. Get it.
Command that I can't follow. I'm just a man.
Damn.
Tronó motor, 3 vueltas.
3 laps, blow motor. Damn. Oh shit.
No, part of the motor? Yeah. Yeah.
There's another one over there, dude. That's
You said you're fucked. Look at that
right there.
Yeah, bro. There you go. Yeah. Going hard, bro. Going hard.
¿Dónde vienen?
Mexicali.
Puro chicali aquí en la casa. Sí. Sorted. So how is it? How is it so far?
Truck feels good. It's totaled, but it feels fucking titty, so we're gonna keep sending it. We're gonna go for a ride with our boy Darren.
I have no idea.
Give him a little feel for how these older chassis do drifting, and then we'll hop in his car and see how that one goes.
Hell yeah.
Let's get it.
What's expected of me? Is victory on this battlefield. So far from home, no end in sight. These lifeless grow heavy on the soul. Deliver me from insanity. I'll hold on if I can. Hold on if I can. Oh, I'm holding steady. Oh, I'm holding steady. Warrior, warrior.
I broke my shit,
If that happens, you just smile and say, I'll check it out.
but we got a solution. In the meantime,
We're gonna MacGyver some shit.
we're gonna do the bush mechanic shit. But in the meantime, while the motor's cooling down, so like my hands can get in there easy, we're gonna go hop on his shit, go test it out, give him some inputs.
He's gonna yell at me really loud from the passenger seat.
I hope so. Those views look good though.
Algo bien. Damn, son.
Sir, please save some pussy for the rest of us.
Oh, a tire went out?
Just sleeve came off, no big deal.
Okay. Easy fix.
Spreader bag in there and get that.
Look at that. What does that look like?
No.
Hey, we'll get a full lap in one of these days. Yeah. That's right, baby. Yeah.
How's the car feeling?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. He'll know. He'll tell you. It's gonna be my first couple laps.
Oh yeah.
Very nice.
Except this is not.
Hey, that's not very nice. Tuck it in, no one know.
Sleeve on the tie rod extension came out, which is just like an aluminum off the shelf slip dealio. So anyways, I was able to get some threads in it and get the alignment to where it was straight up, so that's cool because I was scared it was gonna be towed in, and we're gonna go break it again.
Fill me in. What'd you just do?
Throttle cable clevis from the cable to the actual pedal linkage failed, so had to look through spare parts. This was another piece that actually goes on the throttle body side, but I ended up taking the set screw out, or the locking screw, drilling through it so the cable can then slip through, and then the barb on the back side has a nice tight fit. Shout out to Darren for this bush hack idea. QA1 is super fucking like nice to work with, in my opinion. They always, like, whenever you need something, they always send it. Like, go up the hydro and the clutch at the same time, and you're just gonna be playing with throttle.
Okay.
And you know exactly what to do. You're comfortable while doing it.
Yeah, I can. Once it's sideways, I'm all right with it. Yeah, get to that point. So.
No, and then that's why, like, I was trying to yell at you. I was like, keep going. Like, I didn't want you to be like, oh shit. Like,
No, just hand signals are great. That's the way I always drove.
because especially after entry, you come out of that hairpin, and then as soon as you start to transition, you let off. If you would have stayed in it, it would have been a smooth transition. You would have held it through the straight the next corner. You could have grabbed hydro right then and slowed down a little bit, because like another tight hairpin, and then let out, and then that second one, you probably have enough power to stay in second all the way through that back.
Yeah.
So like where my throttle cable snapped is where I shifted to third, floored it, and then let go.
Yeah.
So it's you have it 100%. End of the day, you're gonna be fucking good.
I'm almost through those tires. So.
From that lap?
No, I ran those a few times.
Okay. Cool. Well, let's go out there.
I've been an asshole through town. I'm ready whenever you are. Anything.
I'll get this bitch wrapped up right now.
How I long to be on the streets of San Diego. Hot sun, cool breeze on my face. How I long to hear the beauty of silence. No hostile forces to fear. How I long to be on the sandy ocean beach with the cool drink and spliff in my hand. How I long to feel the essence of a woman there in Southampton. So sweet, so sweet, so sweet, so sweet. Is there Ashley something to avoid? I'm so aware now. Every little sign I'm watching for, yeah.
How'd it feel?
Feels good. By the second, third lap, I mean, he was pretty much linking the whole thing. Just super comfy. You're getting more comfy in it. He knows how to drive, obviously. Dude's a savage. Just needs that commitment and just throwing it, you know? It's pretty simple. It's just different for him, I'm sure. It's really cool to see him do it, though. I say by the end of the day, if we get this little situation sorted out, he'll have the track link. Guaranteed. Nice and smooth. Cable again.
Did you have someone in the car with you? I saw like a little.
Yeah, a little kid.
Oh, okay. That was the same kid that asked for the sticker.
Yeah, I gave him some stickers.
Nice. Hey, my bad. I gave you the fucking pit bike with the flat tire, huh? I saw you look back, and I'm like, I think it is flat, because I felt it right now when I was riding back. I'm like, I think I got it flat.
Yeah, you put me on like a fucking. You tried to make me do a wheelie, and I popped it up. And I was like, this shit feels weird, homie.
Yeah, that's why you look back. I'm like, is it flat? I'm like, I don't know. And then right now I got back to my, it's flat. It's my bad. A little pinch tube. Now I know I need to bring tubes now.
Yeah. For sure.
I asked the tire guy, I'm like, hey, Andy's tires, please tell me you got a patch. He's like, yeah, I got patches. And I was like, no, for my dirt bike. He's like, oh, no, you're fucked.
I do.
You have patches?
I think so.
Oh, yeah. We'll just take the tube out. Have them
Well, I
patch.
mean, it's a car patch tire, but it's...
No, he said it won't work. You got to do it for the kids, man. Always. Yeah.
His victory on this battlefield, so far from home, no end in sight. Deeds like this so heavy on the soul. Deliver me from insanity. I'll hold on if I can. Hold on if I can.
That was fucking sick.
Yeah, that...
Oh, yeah. All right, who we with?
It's Carson.
Huh?
What? Who we with?
Plug yourself in. What's up?
Slipsail Carson. I'm here drifting.
Oh, yeah. Third time driving this car?
Second time driving this car. Fourth track day ever.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
That was fucking sick. Ricky Bobby style.
We're getting old. How was it? What? Slow or fast? Slow or fast?
with the mullet.
Yeah, let me get one of those.
You gotta get it for the video. You're gonna be on YouTube, bro. Do it. Overall, you've already done, I don't even know how many laps now. We're not even counting anymore.
It's a full day of driving again. Truck is great. I guess you make the best of it, right? Life hands you lemons, you make beef stew, right, Andy Milanakis? Nah, life is good, dude. Take the punches as they come, keep it coming, and we'll keep on.
I rode with Alfonso. Yeah, we can literally like that.
¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo andamos? Everything good?
Hell yeah. Al 100, güey.
Al 100, how's the car running?
Yeah, this car's running down.
Flawless?
Yeah, got some sick ass footage.
That was you or who was driving?
That was this guy driving.
Jeez. Nice. Just seen the footage.
Saw it, Ed. So it's about 4:45. Track's over at 5 o'clock. Truck's still good. Fuck it. I'm gonna take you for some ride along. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fucking 5 o'clock, the sun is setting, we're out of gas. It's pretty much starting to load up. Beautiful weekend, a lot of carnage, but that's drifting. So we're gonna keep on keeping on and get back to it. Time to load up and hit the road. Choo!